Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about Invisi Smart Mask UK reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website and you can see the product range is including ISM 5TM face mask, ISMI ISM 30TM face mask, and if you want to see the entire product category list, then you need to visit the products category. And you can see it is an online shopping site which is based in United Kingdom and United States that deals with products including Invisi Smart Shield and Invisi Smart Mask, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's check out the payment information of this site, guys. So you can see they have not provided any payment information, which is a negative sign. And let's check out the shipping policy of this website. So guys, this website is not mobile friendly, but when you'll check out this website on desktop, you will find the shipping policy and return policy section. And here they have mentioned that the domestic shipments are in transit for 2 to 7 days and orders shipped internationally are in transit for 4 to 22 days. So you can find the entire information by visiting the website section, shipping and return policy section. And before going further, guys, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But when it comes to the domain information of the site, the domain name was created on 4th of May 2020. So guys, this site is an old website that defines its legitimacy. But we need to explore the entire information related to the website and their terms and services. So guys, talking about the about us page, so as I have already told you that this website is not, and you can visit the website at your desktop as well. So this is the about us page. They have provided limited information about the company. They have not provided the information related to the business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is not a good sign. Now let's check out the contact details of this website. So guys, this is the contact us page. They have provided the opening hours information, contact number and the official address, which is a good sign. Now talking about social media presence of this site, guys, they have mentioned 4 social media icons, which are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. So I would like to inform you that the site has social media presence on YouTube and Twitter only. The Facebook and Instagram social media handle accounts are misleading and inactive. We are not able to open the social media accounts on Facebook and Instagram. They are showing an error. So this is a negative sign. And they have recently created account on YouTube and Twitter. So we can't trust on it easily. Apart from that, guys, talking about return policy. So you need to check out the return policy section. For that, you need to visit the website's menu option button section given in the bottom of the web page. You can find that particular page by visiting the website at your desktop, and there they have mentioned 7 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And talking about the trust index score of the site, guys, the trust index score of the site is 60%, which is good. And talking about Invisi Smart UK reviews, we have found no reviews about this site on the internet, which is one of the biggest drawbacks of this website. So guys, in the final conclusion, I would say the website appears to be legit, but the site can't be trusted at all because there are two loopholes as well. So it's totally up to you. We do not recommend you to buy anything from this website before exploring the website at the best level. So please guys, check the site carefully before you decide to place any order. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product, and hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.